You have 1 minute to name all languages from A to Z. Go.
Arabic, Belarusian,
Yes.
Cantonese, Dutch, English, French, German, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, K.
Okay. They like dumplings.
Korean,
Yes.
Latvian,
Yes.
Mongolian,
Yes.
Norwegian,
Yes. This is always hard.
Odia,
Yep.
Portuguese,
Yes.
Quechua, Romanian, Spanish,
Yep.
T is Thai,
Yep. And
Ukrainian,
yeah.
V